Welcome back to the channel, YouTube. I'm really appreciative of everybody watching. You're probably wondering where I got this shirt. My #1 subscriber got it for me. That was me. I'm my #1 subscriber. Anyways, today we're gonna get started welding gussets in here. We're gonna plate it. We're gonna put a bar across the top to support this box up here, and we'll cut to it really quick so that you don't have to listen to me talk. You know, you look like an idiot in that shirt. You can be nice, you know. So I should explain that I'm cutting the gussets out to connect on the gooseneck. This piece isn't deep enough here. I need 10 inches. This piece is only 8 1/4, and so I'm going diagonally. And so that way I have 10 inches there. So I'm going to be able to cut one piece out there and then one piece out here. There'll just be a little strip in between left, and we'll be able to weld them in, and then we'll have to do some flat bars on there. I don't know if you can see this very well. GoPros don't focus up close very good, but time for some new consumables on the torch. Pretty cool looking. Put the welding jacket on after the first weld so you know what it feels like to burn your arm. Start working on the piece of angle iron that goes across to support this mesh. You can go side to side. It's going to be cut around right here. It's a cope. It's going to be coped around this on both sides. Sorry, I forgot that word. I'll try and do better next time. That needs to be 63 inches. I don't know if you can see that, but I just caught on fire. That's cool. I don't want to zoom you in on my crotch, but it totally was on fire. But it's cut. Okay, all the gussets are welded in, the crossbar. I don't know what you want to call these gusset braces. They kind of close it off more cosmetically than structurally. But that's all done. I've got the trailer on my pickup truck, and it, with the level on the deck unloaded, it's about 1.5 inches high on the front, which is perfect because once you put a load on it, it should sit about perfectly level to run down the road. So at any rate, this will all get painted. The next movie we're probably get, or the next video, we're gonna move into the ramps. In our next video, we're gonna cut these ramps down. We're gonna shorten them up to where they don't stick up past that angle, and hopefully have them flat. There's a possibility that I might have to make this dovetail just a little steeper. I hope not, but whatever we need to do to make it perfect will do. Anyways, thanks for watching. Keep in mind, you can catch on fire when you're welding. I would do a close-up, but then I'd have to click on the adult film version or setting on YouTube uploading. So, anywho, to be family friendly, I won't do a close-up of my groin. But thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.